Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start dice based questions from chapter number 15 probability. कुछ बच्चे इसमें भी डाउट पूछें तो I have planned to record this one. Two die next type of question, that is two dice are thrown simultaneously. Right. अगर हम लोग एक die throw कर रहे हैं तो हम लोग का जो possible outcomes है 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right. अगर दूसरा die हम लोग थ्रो कर रहे हैं so again our possible outcomes are 6, but दोनों एक साथ ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. so 1 के साथ 1 भी आ सकता है, 2 भी आ सकता है, 3 भी आ सकता है, 4 भी आ सकता है, 5 भी आ सकता है और 6 भी आ सकता है. that means there are 6 combination with this one. similarly with this 2 6 combination, with this 3 6 combination, 4 के साथ 6 combination, 5 के साथ 6 combination, 6 के साथ 6 combination. so how many total number of combinations are there?
36.
Yes, 6 into 6. Right. So when two dice are thrown simultaneously, all possible outcomes are this one. So total number of possible outcomes is 36. Now इसमें जो टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो आते हैं वो है सम, प्रोडक्ट. ध्यान से सुनो, जो मेन जो बोर्ड एग्जाम में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं सम से रिलेटेड आता है, प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड आता है एंड डबलेट्स. ओके, डबलेट्स मीन्स सेम नंबर. सेम नंबर देखो कितने हैं, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So what is the probability of getting doublet?
6 by 36.
Right. What is the probability of getting even doublet?
3 by 36.
Very good. What is the probability of getting prime number doublet? Doublet
3
of
by
prime number.
36.
Yes, 2 2 3 3 5 5. What is the probability of getting even number doublet? Odd number 1 1 3 3 5 5. That is also 3 by 36. So that is the question related to doublet. Okay. Now the second type of question is related with product. So what is the probability of getting the product of the two number is 4? See, यहाँ पे है 1 4 2 2 4 1 और कहीं पे मिल रहा है देखो, दोनों नंबर को इनटू करने से 4 आना चाहिए. If you multiply both the numbers, you will get 4. Any other possibilities are there? No.
No,
So
sir.
what is the probability?
No, sir.
What is the probability?
3 by 36.
3 by 36. Very good. Now what is the probability of getting the product 6? 6 कहाँ पर आ रहा है देखो, 1 2 3 और यहाँ पर और कहीं आ रहा है 6 मल्टीप्लाई करने से नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, so what is the probability of getting the product of two number is 6?
4 by
4 by 36.
Very good. 4 by 36. Now what is the probability of getting the product 20? 20 कहाँ पर आ रहा है देखो, और कहीं पर है क्या देखो?
No, sir.
नहीं आ रहा है ना. So 2 by 36. Okay, now one very interesting question. What is the probability of getting the product of two number is a perfect square?
Sir, 6 by 36.
Right. Perfect square means हम लोग को सेम नंबर देखना पड़ेगा, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. Right. So प्रोडक्ट से रिलेटेड किसी को कोई डाउट है, क्वेश्चंस?
No, sir.
Okay, now sum से related. Now if there is no doubt with respect to product, we will move towards sum related question. Sum वाला देखो ध्यान से. What is the lowest sum here?
2.
2. What is the highest sum?
12.
12. Okay. तो ध्यान से देखो, जितने पॉसिबल सम्स हैं वो है 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. अभी सबको काउंटिंग आता है ना, तो ऊपर से
Yes, sir.
काउंट करो. चलो 1 2 at the same time you start from bottom also. 1 2 3, so यहाँ पर भी 3 लिखो, 4 4 5 5, so last single आ गया 6. So if you see the outcomes, you will get the same answer. So this is a trick to write the number of favorable outcomes for getting sum 2, for getting sum 6. I will show you where you are getting. Whether this trick is clear to all of you? Whether this trick
Yes.
is clear to all of you? ओके अभी इसमें एक कंफ्यूज करने वाला जो क्वेश्चन है वो एटलीस्ट और एटमोस्ट है. सो उस पर थोड़ा ध्यान दो. एटलीस्ट फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट एटलीस्ट. व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ एटलीस्ट? हिंदी में बताओ. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एटलीस्ट? कम से कम. ओके इसका मतलब है यू हैव टू यूज मैथमेटिकली ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू. एटमोस्ट ज्यादा से ज्यादा. So less than or equal to. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
At least means greater than or equals to. At most means less than or equals to. Now my question is that what is the probability of getting at least the sum is 9? That means greater than or equals to 9. So all these 4 you have to count. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 10. Okay, so 10 by 36. Now my question is that what is the sum of two numbers is at most 4? Means less than or equals to 4. So you have to take these three numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 6 by 36. Okay. अभी ये नंबर कैसे आ रहा मैं बता रहा हूँ. See carefully. इसको क्रॉस करके ऐसे सर्किल कर रहा हूँ मैं. देखो what is the sum of these two numbers? 3 2 है. ये 3 नंबर्स का सम 4 है. ये 4 नंबर्स का सम 5 है. ये 5 नंबर्स का सम 6 है. और ये 6 नंबर्स का सम 7 है. अगेन डिक्रीजिंग नाउ. 5 4 3 2 1. Whether you are able to identify these sums. ये ट्रिक कहाँ से आया? यहाँ से आया. देखो अगर सभी को डायगोनल बनाएंगे, if you make diagonal for all this one and this one, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1. These are all the trick for writing the answers of sum related question. Whether this trick is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So exam में ये outcomes लिखना mandatory नहीं है. If you write, it is okay, no problem. But it is not mandatory. Okay. Until unless if it is not specified in the question. वैसे आज तक specify नहीं किया हुआ है. So एक question देख लेते हैं हम लोग. 2 dice are thrown at same time. Find the probability that the sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is more than 9. So more than 9 means how many sums are there? 10, 11, 12. So यहाँ से count करो. 1, 2, 3. So how many possible outcomes? Favorable outcomes? 6. Okay, fine. So we will start with the total number of possible outcomes when 2 dice are thrown at same time. That is 36. Okay, so let E be the event of getting sum is more than 9. So possible outcomes are, see 10 के लिए 3 है, 11 के लिए 2 है. Now this is not mandatory. I told you this is not mandatory. 1 2 3. So number of all favorable outcomes is equals to 6. So that is a P of probability E, that is P of E is equals to 6 upon 36. If you simplify, what you will get?
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
So 1 by 6 is the answer of this question. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll see one more example. 2 dice are thrown at the same time. Find the probability of getting same number on both sides. Same number. Doublets. So total number of possible outcomes is 36. So how many outcomes you are getting the same numbers?
6.
6, right? So that is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So what is the probability?
6 by
5
6.
by
ठीक है, देखो ये ऐसे लिखना भी मैंडेटरी नहीं है. Let E be the event of same number on both dice. This is one presentation. I will show you the another format also. Okay, this is not mandatory. So you can start directly first bit. You can start directly first bit with this step. Number of favorable outcomes is 6. Okay, yeah, number of outcomes in which we are getting the same number on both dice, 6. So therefore, what is the probability?
6 by 36.
Right, simplify.
1 by 6.
1 by 6.
1 by
Now second, different numbers on both dice. So you can find
30.
it by using either, see, same number 6 outcomes में आ रहा है तो different numbers बाकी सब में आएगा, that is 36 minus 6, 30. Or else you can use this method. P of different numbers on both sides is equals to 1 minus P of same number on both sides. That is 1 minus 1 by 6. So what is the answer?
5 by 6.
Right, 5 by 6. मैंने बताया कि ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं 30 upon 36. Right? There are two way of writing the answer. Number of favorable outcomes in which different numbers are getting different numbers on both dice is 30. So P of different numbers on both sides will be 30 by 36. That is 5 by 6. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So one more question. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability that the sum on the numbers appearing on the dice is 7? So हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, जल्दी से रफ लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पर 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, then decrease. Otherwise you can start from bottom also, same time 4 3 2 1. Okay, 7 कितने बार है?
6 times.
So total number of possible outcomes is 36. Now favorable events first bit के लिए 1 6 6 1 2 5 5 2 3 4 4 3, that is 6. Okay, so what is the probability of getting the sum is 7?
6 by
6
36.
by 36.
Right, 6 by 36, that is 1 by 6. Now second, अब prime number, अभी prime number कौन कौन से हैं देखो, यहाँ से टिक कर रहा हूँ 2 3 5 7 11. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. How much you are getting?
15.
15. Right. So these are the possible outcomes and this is equals to 15. See, this is not mandatory. Only for explanation I wrote here 1 2 sum 2 एक बार है, sum 3 दो बार है, right? और sum 5 जो है वो 4 times है, उसके बाद sum 7 6 times है, और लास्ट में sum 11 2 times है. Okay, so what is the probability?
15 by
15 by
36.
36.
Right, 15 by 36. Simplify. 5 by 12. Okay, now what is the probability of getting a sum is 1?
2.
Sum is 1.
0.
0.
0, right? So no two numbers make the sum 1. So number of favorable events is 0. So the probability of getting the sum 0 is 0 by 36 or 0, or we can write it is impossible event. That is why the probability is 0. Any doubt in this question? Refer to example 13. Example 13 means वो 2 dice को throw करने वाला है. If 2 dice are thrown, then complete the following table. Event sum on 2 dice is 1. So I already explained the trick. 3 कितने बार आया था?
2.
3, 4, 5. This you know na how to fill?
Yes, sir.
Then decreasing 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी सबके डिनोमिनेटर में 36 लिख दो. So this is 4 by 36 and this is 5 by 36 and this is 6 by 36. Okay, and this is 4 by 36 and this is 3 by 36 and this is 2 by 36. So any doubt in this question? First
No,
bit.
sir.
Okay. Now a student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Therefore each of them has a probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with this argument or justify your answer? Do you agree with this argument? No, I'm not. Why? Because I'm not getting 1 by 11 in any of the case. Okay, because these are not equally likely outcomes. So here all 11 possible outcomes are not equally likely and all probabilities are different from 1 by 11. Any doubt in this second part? Second part में
No.
कोई doubt है? नहीं है?
No, sir.
Okay. So now this is the last question of today's session because only 2 questions left, that is based on points that we will take up tomorrow. A die is thrown twice. ठीक है? अगर 2 डाइस को एक साथ फेंक रहे हैं या एक डाइस को 2 बार फेंक रहे हैं तो वो दोनों सेम एक्सपेरिमेंट कंसीडर करते हैं हम लोग. So how many total number of outcomes?
36.
Right,
36.
36. Now 5 will not come up either time. First of all, let us see how many times 5 is coming. पूरे 36 outcomes में 5 कितने बार आ रहा है? देखो 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6. फिर 1-5, 2-5, 3-5, 4-5 and 6-5. So 11 times आ रहा है. 1-5, 2-5, 3-5, 4-5, 5-5, 6-5, 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5 was already there, 5-6. So ये total 11 times 5 आ रहा है. Clear है? So how many times 5 is not coming up either time?
25.
Okay, so what is the probability of getting 5 will not come up either time?
25 by 36.
25 by 30.
Right, 36 minus 11 by 36, that is 25 by 36. Now, how many times 5 is come up at least once? Already we got. So what is the probability of second one?
11 by
11
36.
by
Yes, 11 by 36. Okay, any doubt here? This is
No,
very,
sir.
very important question. Okay, so this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving towards assignment questions. Only 2 questions are there. That's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.